The Mercedes-AMG W11, a machine that redefined dominance in Formula One history. Today we begin the journey of bringing this legendary silver arrow back to its peak performance. The restoration starts with a complete deconstruction, striping the car down to its carbon fiber core. Every component of the M11 hybrid power unit is inspected with surgical precision. Even the innovative dual-axis steering system is disassembled for a thorough assessment. The heart of the beast requires specialized care to ensure every horsepower is accounted for. Suspension geometry is verified, re-greasing the joints that handled the highest cornering forces in F1 history. Now the reconstruction begins. The masterpiece is painstakingly put back together. Finishing touches make the difference. The iconic Petronas green must shine like new. The steering wheel is docked. The digital interface flickers, confirming the car is alive, restored to perfection. This is the W11 as it was meant to be seen. The greatest race car ever made, ready for the track once more. The legend returns.